Okay, I know this is crazy, but I actually do put maple syrup in my coffee because it's a natural sweetener. I just use a little, but it tastes so good. Good morning. This is my quarantine day 8 vlog, which is crazy. Cannot believe that this is even a thing, and it's really hard to grasp, but this is a little peek into my day of kind of what my mornings look like and what my schedule's been day to day. I'd love to hear how everyone is also handling this situation and what you're doing to keep yourself busy. But yeah, this is it. Good morning. This has been a crazy week or so, couple of weeks, and I just kind of wanted to update on everything I've been doing and just kind of what my plan is and what's been happening day to day. Everyone has to find the way to handle this and the best way to go about it. But right now it is 9 in the morning and I just made my coffee and I've been getting ready, like doing skincare and a little like bronzer and stuff every day just to kind of feel like put together from the morning, because I feel like if I just wake up and then stay the same all day, I've had to like get ready, you know what I mean? And every time we do something, like if we're going on the boat, we're going to the grocery store, whatever it may be, I'm like picking out my outfit. I am going to kind of just go grab my laptop, start looking through my emails and doing some work. Oh, last thing, I have been waking up before 10. If I don't wake up and start my day, the whole day is just a mess. So I've been trying really hard to wake up at 9. You know, sometimes it's 9:30 depending on how tired I am. So I just had 2 meetings for class, which was actually really nice to be able to just chat and be normal and, you know, talk about other things. So that was great, and worked on some documents and some assignments that are due today. And now I'm just going to make breakfast. Not really sure what I'm in the mood for today. It's kind of just like a rainy day. Maybe I'll make a little breakfast sandwich or just some avocado toast with a poached egg. Maybe I'll do that. I haven't done that in forever. I'm gonna make breakfast and then just kind of hang out and keep going through my emails and doing some work this morning. So yeah, that is just my plan for right now. And I feel like right now while everyone's stuck inside, it's really easy to just kind of, you know, sit and do nothing. But I think getting up and cooking and moving around is at least an excuse to do something. Okay, I'm clearly a little rusty. Look at how terrible these look. That is the worst thing I've ever seen. I need serious help. I think I'm gonna make a poached egg every day to regain my skill. Shelby, what do you think? Okay, she silently agrees. Okay, so So I just read for a little bit and got a little chilly, so I just changed into a little sweatshirt and some like cozy socks. It's kind of like bad weather outside. If it's not raining, I'll probably go for a run and then come back and do Pilates. That's what I've been doing every day around 3. Obviously show you if I end up doing that, but the Pilates I've been doing is called P-Volve or P-Love or something. It's something like that. I'll put the name here. You get 2 weeks free. So you can do a 2-week free trial, and it's all online videos and stuff like that. Like I have a couple hand weights that I had around the house, so I've been using those, but Pilates is normally really expensive. So it's good to have a free trial. It's good to like work on it a little bit online virtually before I see if I want to get a membership or something like that, you know? Hello, so it's been a couple hours. My mom and I just went to the grocery store to get ingredients. Kind of a scary experience, very empty, lots of hand sanitizer, all of that. But now, normally I would be doing Pilates right now, but my sister and I are gonna be doing Sarah's Day. She has an ebook, and we're gonna do one of her workouts. So it's good to mix it up every day though, so you don't get bored. So try to do different workouts every day, do yoga one day, maybe a Pilates, you know. Okay, so we just worked out. Later tonight I'll be doing a paleo banana walnut bread.